Hello everyone. In today's fun session, we are going to learn about germ management. As you can read the topic, Scrub the Germ Monster, we are going to learn what germs are and how we can scrub and rub the germ monsters away. Let us begin by understanding what are germs. Germs are tiny living organisms. They live on everything you see, touch and feel. Germs cannot be seen through the naked eye, but they are visible under a microscope. If germs enter our body, they can make us very sick. They tend to grow faster than other living organisms and multiply very quickly. When we get sick, we miss out on a lot of fun activities and going to school. We don't get to meet our friends and we are forced to stay at home. In order to keep ourselves healthy, we need to follow certain steps every day to keep ourselves protected from the invasion of germs. As we know now that these tiny living organisms can do much harm to our body and make us very sick. In order to stay safe and protected, these steps are to be followed every day. Washing your hands right before and after eating a meal using soap and water. Wet your hands with water, apply soap, rub palm to palm in between your fingers, focus on your wrist, back of your hands and in between your thumbs. If you wash your hands thoroughly using all these steps, you will scrub off all the germs. Brush your teeth in the morning and right before going to bed. This will keep all your tooth problems away. It keeps our teeth healthy and protected. Having a bath every day is going to keep the germs away. After coming back from the toilet, don't forget to only flush the germs from the toilet but also from our hands. We should wash our hands very frequently right before and after we use the toilet. Avoid putting your fingers into your eyes, nose or mouth. As it is important to keep oneself safe, it is also important to keep one's family, friends and surroundings protected from the spreading of germs. These living organisms multiply quickly and spread easily to various surfaces. Here is a short poem which consists of instructions which, if followed, can stop the spreading of germs onto various surfaces. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Use a tissue or an elbow grease. Wipe your nose and throw the germs away. Wash your hands with soap and now we play. As you can see in the picture right above, the child is wiping his nose using a fresh and clean tissue. These tissues are then disposed of in the bin. You need to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze using a tissue or using your elbow but not your hands. When you cover your mouth with your hands, the germ particles stick onto your hands and that can lead to transferring of germs to various surfaces and also the germs can enter your body through your hands. It is very important to frequently wash your hands because we have families which consist of grandparents, we have family which consist of elders and it is important that we keep our surroundings safe and stop the germs from spreading. Washing hands frequently can get a bit boring, and to make the process fun, here is a little poem that you can sing while washing your hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands, soap will make them clean. Rub and scrub and scrub and rub, more healthier will be. If you sing this poem each time you wash your hands, it will make the process even more fun and you would love to wash your hands once again. Let us do a fun activity now. This is known as the Pepper plus Soap Fun Science Experiment. All we require for this experiment is some black pepper which is crushed or ground, a big bowl of water and a little liquid soap. Take a big bowl of water and add crushed black pepper. The particles of black pepper will start floating on the water just like the germ particles float on water. Germs are not visible to the naked eye, but they float in a similar way on the surface of water. When we put our finger inside the bowl of water, these particles get attracted and stick to our finger. Now we are going to do something interesting. We have a little liquid soap. We are going to take our finger, dip it inside the liquid soap, and then dip this finger containing the soap inside the bowl of water. When we dip the finger inside the pepper and water mixture, we will see that the germ particles start moving away. This is relatively shocking to see that these particles start moving further and further away as soon as we apply soap to the finger. But this is actually what happens to the germ particles in reality. When you wash your hands thoroughly using soap and water, the more frequently you do this, the more the germs keep at bay. It is very important to keep your hands clean, and that is going to help you stay protected and healthy for a long period of time. Now we know everything about germs, how these tiny living organisms spread, how harmful they are, how we can save ourselves from them, and how we can keep our surroundings safe. It is very important at these times when we are surrounded by a large number of germ particles that we frequently wash our hands and keep our surroundings hygienic, as well as keep oneself safe and protected. Thank you.